Hello everyone. Today we're going to install MetaTrader 4 on your MacBook. This could be installed on your iMac, Mac Pro, MacBook Air. The website that I use is www.xm.com. Now once you go to this website, all you have to do is just search platforms, and then you'll see MT4 for Mac. You just click on MT4 for Mac. Click the download link. And once it downloads, you just double click the file and continue with the install. I do not use XM as my broker. I only use them for the MetaTrader 4 product. Here we go. So we click that and the packages are opening. Okay, so drag to install. And here you go. Now once this file installs, you'll go to applications and then you'll just double click the XM logo icon, and then MetaTrader 4 should load up. Depending on what broker you have, then you'll be able to scan for your broker and enter your trading information. That's your login details and all that stuff. Perfect. So now we just scroll down to our applications and we search for that XM file. Now if you do get this, all you have to do is click OK, go into your system preferences, then you go into security and privacy, and here it's saying that it's blocking the installation of this app. Now you just click open anyway. So let's relaunch XM. And here we go. Now, if your broker is not already listed here, you just type the name of your broker in. For me, I use Hugo's Way. And then you just hit enter. And then you just go ahead, select that, next, and just fill out your login details. And there you have it, MetaTrader 4 on your Mac.